This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Plug the laptop in if you plan intense brightness changes and set power mode to balanced. Open Windows Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display, or press the Acer FN key plus the brightness up/down keys on the top row. You do this because power profiles and hotkeys can override each other. Changing one without checking the other causes confusion. Once done, note the current brightness percentage, so you can compare and avoid eye strain as you proceed. Now adjust brightness using either method. Drag the display brightness slider in settings for precise increments, or open the Action Center and tap the quick brightness tile for fast changes. Alternatively, press FN plus the brightness up or brightness down keys to change hardware levels immediately. If brightness keeps changing, go to Advanced Power Settings and turn off Adaptive Brightness. This prevents ambient light sensors from overriding your choice. Make sure to test in a few different apps so you confirm consistent results across the system. Finish by verifying the brightness in both battery and plugged-in power plans so it holds where you need it. If the slider or hotkeys stop working, open Device Manager, update the display and monitor drivers, then reboot. Outdated drivers commonly break control functions. If the screen still auto-adjusts, reset the ambient light sensor in BIOS or disable adaptive brightness in both Windows and your graphics control panel. One key troubleshooting tip: updating drivers almost always fixes unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.